What's wrong? You don't like that parrot? You don't like that parrot? He talks. It's a fake parrot, but he talks sometimes. You don't like the fake parrot? You don't like him? Let's see if we can get him to talk. Hello. Hello. Of course, now that I'm filming, it won't work. What's wrong? Oh, there it goes. Hello. He just blinked. Thanks. Hello. Hello, pig. Hello, fake parrot. He blinked again. It's okay. Come on, let's go get your food. Let's go get your breakfast. Let's go get your breakfast. Let's go get your breakfast. It's just a fake parrot. Come on. Come on. That's all for now from the excitement that is Yorktown, Virginia. Come on, buddy.